This is الدرس الخامس والعشرون of كتاب أدوات الربط, and we are looking at the connectors, lesson 25, and this is drill 1. In this drill, you are going to use the connectors from drills 21 through 24. So this is a review lesson. You have to remember that you may want to go back and look at lessons 21 through 24 of the connectors in order to refresh your memory about which connectors will be used here. So in number 1 here, blank سافرتم blank لنا رسالة. You traveled blank to us a letter. Again, you're going to use here in this lesson a number of different types of connectors. We have here إذا, in, لو. We have أما, fa. We have سواء إذا. We have لا ولا. So you have to choose the correct one that you think fits in the blank. And also you can add words here. So in number 1, for example, you might want to say, if you travel, write for us a letter. So again, you can add the word write in there in order to complete the sentence. Number 2, we have شاهدت المسرحية, or شاهدت, sorry. She watched the play. Blank صديقي blank لم يشاهدها. Again, here we have a number of different possibilities. One is going to be the best, which is as for أما fa. So you can review that and see if that works in this situation. Number 3, أحب الشاي, I love tea, blank كان ساخنا, whether it is hot, بارداً, blank, or cold. Number 4, blank يتكلم العربية, blank العبرية. العربية is Arabic and العبرية is Hebrew. You should be able to complete number 4. Number 5, blank زارني, blank أطلعه على الكتاب, أطلعه على الكتاب. So blank, he visited me, blank made me aware of the book. Number 6, لي أختان, I have 2 sisters, blank زوجتي, blank لها أخت واحدة. She has 1 sister. Number 7 here, blank كنت كاتب هذه المقالة, blank أكثر من ذلك. So blank was the writer of this article, blank more than that. Number 8, 8, هناك تطور شامل, there was complete development, blank في المجال السياسي, blank الاجتماعي, in the area, in the political arena, and in the, or not neither, we could say here neither nor, neither in the political arena nor in, or there was both in the political arena and in the social arena, or whether in the political arena or in the social arena. Number 9, هذا العجوز لم ينام, لا ينام أبدا, this elderly man doesn't ever sleep, blank either at night or in the day. Number 10, blank أن أتصل بك غدا, blank تتصل أنت. So here that I contact you tomorrow, blank you contact. You yourself contact. Number 11, blank تحضر القاموس, تحضر is to bring the dictionary, blank أعطيك الثمن, I will give you the price. Number 12, لقد وصلنا مبكرين. We arrived early. Blank هم blank وصلوا متأخرين. As for them, they arrived late. So hopefully that should help you to complete this exercise with lessons 21, the connectors in lessons 21 through 24. مع السلامة.